Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have a beautiful snapper fish today. Yesterday, Appa went to a Chinese style restaurant in Sunway Pyramid to try their Kao Yu, right? Their so-called grilled fish. The flavor is nice, but the fish tastes so strange because I ordered the barramundi, sea bass, okay? But it tastes like grouper. It doesn't taste right. So today, I think they probably treat the fish to taste that way, to give that kind of texture, which to me, I really don't like it. I feel it's not natural. So today, Abba use a real, proper, this is a snapper fish, a very fresh snapper fish. It's not barramundi. I'm going to steam it, and I haven't thought of what kind of sauce I'm going to make later, but let's do that, decide that later, right? So what do we need to do in order to remove the fishiness from the steamed fish later? First thing, remove the fish kidney, which is the middle part. Here, there will be some blood stain. That is the source of fishiness. That is the fish kidney. Yeah, so remove that. So of course, after you remove that and wash the fish thoroughly, you make few slits on the fish body, like this, so that the steaming process will be more efficient later and easier. Then we put few pieces of ginger onto the fish itself. And I'll give few dashes of fine salt. Then we can send this to the steamer. Right, first thing, you preheat your steamer until 100 degrees Celsius minimum. Or if you're using the normal cooker or pot, you will be boiling water, yeah? Then we will steam it for probably about 10-11 minutes. Right, I have decided to use all this to make the steamed fish sauce. I have some minced garlic, ginger, fresh coriander roots, and some big chili. Yeah, not very spicy, just more for the color. Some salted black bean, some taoju, fermented soya bean. Let's give it some oil and heat it up. Once it is heated up, we can put in the ginger, garlic, fresh coriander. We leave the chili towards the end. Accidentally put some in here, mind. This is not spicy. Give it some salted black bean. You can crush it if you like. Some taoju, yeah, fermented soya bean. So let's saute this for a minute or two before we continue. Wow, super fragrant right now. Super fragrant. So this is after about 1 minute. We're going to put in some hot water. I'm going to give it some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Those interested can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. And let's give it a little bit of fine salt. A little bit of fine sugar. A little bit of light soy sauce. A bit of dark soy sauce for the color. If you have fish sauce, put a bit in also. Right. I'm going to put in the rest of the chili. Our steamed fish sauce, very umami steamed fish sauce is ready. See how simple it is. Let's just wait for the fish. Right, so after the steamed fish sauce is ready, just nice, the fish is also ready. Wow. Look at how beautiful it is. We have a lot of fishy water there. We are going to throw away the fishy water. That is another source of fishiness, okay? Check out how beautiful the fish is. I have removed the fishy water, yeah? Right, next step, very easy. We have done our beautiful steamed fish sauce. We're just going to drench the whole fish, bungee the whole fish with the steamed fish sauce here. Right. If you have some fresh coriander, you can garnish it on top, yeah? My fresh coriander is not so fresh today, so I don't bother. So if you like my very simple video today, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.